Good news for Galaxy fans, because Samsung is shaking things up this fall with a surprise Galaxy event officially happening with many amazing products underway. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. While the tech world was looking to 2025 for the next big hardware drop, the South Korean giant is making moves early and fans are here for it. In a newsroom post, Samsung teased a more seamless mobile experience across a wider range of devices, hinting at some powerful cross-device AI integration. The event will be virtual only, streamed live via Samsung's website and YouTube channel. The question is, what will we get in this event? Rumors are heating up around the debut of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 series, which is expected to come in two variants, the Galaxy Tab S11 and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. But there won't be any Plus model this time. Both models are said to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip, marking a major shift in Samsung's tablet game with a focus on high-efficiency AI performance. And that's not all. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is also on the radar. We can say it's the more affordable yet powerful companion of the S25 lineup. But what about the specs? Well, leaks suggest it'll feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 120Hz refresh rate, and a sleek design running on Exynos 2400 SoC with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Isn't that impressive? The Galaxy family is expanding and all the specs are so noteworthy. So Galaxy fans, September 4th is your big day. And yes, we'll be watching it right along with you. Are you excited for the upcoming event? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to miss the bell icon so you don't miss any update.